So today I'll be showing you how to change the font on your Instagram bio. So what you need to do is simply go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon and then go to edit profile, and that's going to open the profile editor from where you can edit the bio. So here we have the bio. So you can change the font of the entire bio, just copy everything. So just select and copy. And then you can go to your favorite browser and just look for any font editor or font changer. Okay, so you can just Google and just type font changer. Okay, so that's the wrong spelling, font changer, like that. And there are plenty of tools you can use. Let me just pick this one at the front of the page. So this is where you put your normal text. Okay, now let me just first of all disagree with this. This is where you put your normal text. I'm just gonna long press and paste our bio text, and you can see we have different fonts. So you have this one, we have this one, we have this one, this one. There are plenty of fonts you can use. So for instance, if you want to use this one, I'll just go ahead and select. Okay, so I'll just double tap to select or long press to select it. And then copy. And then now I can go back into Instagram and I can delete whatever is there. And then long press and paste my text there. Okay, simple as that. And then now I can tap on the check mark to save. And now when people see my Instagram bio, you can actually see we have a different font. Okay, simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.